Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, make sure that you tap at the touch controls. Touch controls are located at the left side for the left earbud, right here we have it, and the right side, the right earbud. So make sure that you're pressing it or press and hold or also swipe it. Now, if it didn't help you, the next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. Your earbuds will disconnect from your phone, and then you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, so it may fix this problem also. If it also didn't help you, the next step we need to check maybe this gesture feature set to none in the application. So we need to use XIAOMI Earbuds application, open it, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have. Now you need to scroll down and go to the gesture. So if you have that it's set to none, you need to first check it, of course, and then click on it and select some feature here, and it can fix your problem. If all of these methods didn't help you, the last is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the lid. At the bottom we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold this connectional button until this light blinking red 3 times. It starts blinking white firstly because it entered to prank mode. You just keep holding it. 1, 2 and 3. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to remove this earbuds from your phone and then add it again. So go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here at the device list you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Now forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and after a factory reset, this earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we don't need to use connectional button. We just tap on it at the device list, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!